So I am here in the beautiful Mount Dora, Florida today, and I just wanted to give you all a virtual tour of this beautiful NextGen home. Here is the two-car garage outside and a little view of the landscape. Now I will go ahead and flip this over so I can show you the home, but if you have any questions, please go ahead and you can call or text me at 689-229-8178 and I will contact you as soon as possible. Alrighty, let's enjoy this tour. Okay, so we have here is a front look of this beautiful NextGen home. Again, we are in Mount Dora, Florida. This community is called Stony Brook Community. They have a gated community with a security guard at the gate, which is wonderful if you love privacy and want to make sure that you know you and your family are safe at all times. And we have a large patio here. And then I want you to pay attention to the two entrances. On the right, you have the entrance to the NextGen suite. And then straight ahead is the entrance to the main home. And that is where we will go first. And as we open the door, of course, you see the beautiful spacious foyer. I love the personality in this home. Alrighty, and I'll give you a quick peek of the NextGen suite. But as we conclude the tour, I will go in there and show you the NextGen suite. So as we walk in the home, you see on the left, you have, this is a storage / linen closet. And now you see we have a hallway here. On the left side is going to take you to the main home. And to the right is a hallway that will take you to two of the bedrooms. Let's go ahead and tour two of the rooms. Straight back, we have bedroom number 1. Spacious rooms here. The closet is large as well, so you do have closet space in all of the bedrooms, which is a wonderful thing. If you have clothes like myself, we need closet space. Okay. Now this is bedroom number 1. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, and it does have a private den / office space as well that has double doors, so you can always use that for an additional bedroom if you would need 5 bedrooms. Alrighty, so this is bedroom number 2. Again, I'm telling you, there is space in all of the bedrooms. As you can see with the furniture, you have your bed and you still have space here for chairs if you would like, or dressers if you would like as well. And then each room does have windows, so you do have that natural lighting. And this is a walk-in closet. And again, this is not the primary suite. So look how spacious this closet is. Okay. And now this is the first bathroom. Hello. And we have this bathroom here with a private toilet area. Let me go down. Hi, how are you all today?
Good, how are you?
I'm wonderful, thank you. Enjoy your tour. I'm doing a virtual tour right now.
Thank you.
This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. That's the NextGen suite you're entering. All of the furniture does convey, so that washer and dryer is included, the refrigerator that you see, as well as you enter, you'll see all the furniture and the washer and dryers that comes with.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy the tour. Okay. And then we turn in the first hall, and I'll open here, and this will be the 2-car garage. And we have the washroom, which is walk-in as well. And look at this, it does have its own private, not so private storage. All right. You have a tiny nook on the right. And on the left, this is the private den. I told you it does have the double doors. That can also be a 5th bedroom if you would need, but if you work from home or you need maybe some toddler space, this can be closed off as a separate bonus flex room for whatever you please. And then we walk into the main room, and it's an open floor plan. You have your kitchen, your large kitchen island. And you have your grand room, your living room, as well as your separate den. And then here to the right, we have the primary suite. And then in the primary suite again, this is the walk-in bathroom. Try to stay out of the counter. Well, I'm here, y'all. And here you do have a double vanity, as well as a separate toilet room. Then you have your walk-in shower, which is accessible. You see it does have the handle, as well as the walk-in closet. Alrighty, and that is the primary suite, which is bedroom number 3. And I'll take a quick peek outside. I want to show you there is a screened lanai. It's covered and it is screened. It does have the ceiling fan that is included. And now let's take a little peek outside. Now just to let you all know, look at the space between the homes really quick. So you're not all up on each other. I love the beautiful landscape. And as you see, this is a half-acre lot. So you have a lot of space in the backyard, a lot of opportunities to entertain. And here, this homeowner, she did build a butterfly garden. Butterflies are my favorite insect because it's new beginning. So if you love the outdoors and butterflies like myself, this butterfly garden is beautiful. And then look at all this space you still have in the backyard. And it's already gated for you. So you do have safety if you have children. As you can see, your neighbors, that'll be to the right, they have a toddler area. And then look at all this space here. Okay. What do you all think so far? I love this home. It's gorgeous. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and take a peek at the NextGen suite. And I want to let you know that everything in this home right now does convey. So all of the appliances you see, the washer and dryers that you see, the ceiling fans, all convey with the home. So this is move-in ready. Okay. Now, one moment. We have on the left here is the NextGen suite. This is the living room for the NextGen suite. And you see it does have a kitchenette. And the kitchenette has your built-in microwave. The refrigerator is included. You have an island space as well as space for storage and pantry. And guess what else? Your own washer and dry here, your mini laundromat. So this is wonderful if you have in-laws that are moving in, or if you have adult children that need their private space. This is perfect. And look at this wonderful room. Look at all this space. And look at that ceiling fan. Personality. This home has tons of personality. As you see here, it's the space for the NextGen Suites bedroom. And double closet, lots of storage space. Let's go take a peek at the restroom. And here you have your sink, your toilet, and another walk-in shower, okay, with built-in storage. And here, let me go ahead and open these blinds for you. Say hey. Alrighty, so this is the virtual tour of my open house today over in, again, the wonderful and beautiful Mount Dora, Florida. Alrighty, here, let me turn my camera back. There it is. Okay, I hope you all really enjoyed the virtual open house tour today. Alrighty, again, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in the beautiful Mount Dora, Florida, in the community called Stony Brook Hills. This community is only 2 lights away from the flea market of Mount Dora and 5 minutes away from downtown Mount Dora. So if you would love more information, again, just let me know. You can DM me, call, or text, and I would love to help. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for taking your time and joining me on this tour. Bye.